Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel, and if you are new here, my name is Lauren. In today's video, I have a Farfetch unboxing for you. Really excited because this is a handbag that is under $1,000, and I always love to show pieces that I think are affordable, air quote, but luxury pieces that are under $1,000 because let's be real, we all want the best value for our money because we work hard for our money, right? So I'm really excited. This shipped to me from Vancouver. I actually thought it was coming from out east, but it shipped to me from the St. Laurent store in Vancouver. Love Farfetch. Basically, Farfetch connects you to thousands of different boutiques, brands, luxury department stores all around the world. You're always gonna find the piece that you're looking for at probably the best price too. I will have a code coming up pretty soon. I think the code that I had last is no longer working, but in a couple of weeks I will have another code coming up. So be on the lookout for that, but let's just get into it. So I just actually got this right now. UPS delivered it. It was shipped to me yesterday, got to me today. Like I said, it came from Vancouver. So all I did was do that, open that part. So I actually haven't seen anything. It's beautifully wrapped. So it just has a black sticker there. It says St. Laurent. Oh, I don't even want to rip it. Let's try and open it as nicely as possible. So here we go. I think I'm kind of ruining it, but there we go. Aha! Oh, that's pretty too. They also have some ribbon on there. So there's no, that's weird. Usually there's paperwork that comes with it. Maybe that's only if it's, usually my items are shipped to me internationally, but from over in Europe, but this one doesn't have any paperwork unless it's inside. So here's the box right there. Like I said, I'm really excited for this. I literally saw it and I bought it in 2 minutes. It said it was the last one left, so I just bought it. This was definitely an impulse buy. Usually I like to look up a handbag first and see some reviews, but when I saw this, I was like, what the heck is that? And I need it in my life. And then I just bought it because it said last one. So, you know it's gonna be a good one. There we go. There's just another sticker. Nice packaging. This is kind of coming undone, but that's fine. Okay, there's no paperwork. That's weird. Usually there's some sort of paperwork that comes with it, like the return label and like the packaging slip, so you know like what you bought, but I don't know. Dust bag. So it's a small little bag. You can tell by the size of it, and you know I love me a good mini bag. Oh, I can see it. Oh my god. Oh, it's so cute. Oh my gosh, this is so cute. So the actual name for this, I think this is really new because I have never seen this. This is called, it's spelled S-A-D-E. I don't know if that's supposed to be Sade, Sadie, Sade, but it's the tube shoulder bag. I got mine in this, I don't even know the color of it. I'm trying to look at my invoice online. But it came in this beautiful cream color, and it also came in a black color. It doesn't say the color of it on my invoice, but it just says that it's made from calf leather and it is from Italy. So the price point of this bag in total with taxes and everything was $1,103. The actual price of this bag is $985 on Farfetch. I'm not sure if that's what it retails for in store. Like I said, Farfetch, I always tend to find better deals. So with tax, this is over $1,000, but prior to tax, it's $985 Canadian. So in the US, it's even less. This is it right here. This is the mini size. It does come also in a larger size, but I was just drawn to this because it's so tiny and cute. And it has some chain hardware there, and then it also has a leather part to go over your shoulder, which is really nice. And then there's just this is like the antique gold as well. So it just has, does it say St. Laurent? Yeah, it does. So it just has St. Laurent there. And then I really liked it because it has this really small little YSL logo. And I appreciate that. Sometimes with the handbags, it has like the really big logo. And don't get me wrong, I love a big logo on certain bags, but I liked that because the bag is so small, it just has this tiny little YSL there. So cute. That's basically it. No bells or whistles at all. But let's open it up. So there you go. And then inside, that's weird. There's like nothing inside. Usually they put like stuffing or like the authenticity card. Am I crazy? Like, is it? There's nothing. That's weird, right? Don't all bags come with authenticity cards? I just think that's strange. Interesting. Well, there's nothing in there, and it wasn't stuffed. That's also strange. I don't know why I'm so bothered that it doesn't have an authenticity card. That's strange to me. Or there's like no stuffing or anything, right? It's a little bit odd, but it's just empty on the inside. So it's just, there's nothing, there's no inner pocket or anything like that. It just has, it has the authenticity code like in there. It just didn't come with the card or like the fabric care, like any of that. Huh, interesting. But it's super cute. I just got it so I could wear it over my shoulder like that. Hi, Bean. So you can see how it kind of fits on me. It's quite a large strap drop, which I like. So I think you could wear like a lighter, like fall jacket or spring jacket or a blazer, and it would still fit underneath. And the other reason why I liked it is because it does have these little rings here. So you could attach a long crossbody strap, and then you could wear this as a crossbody. It's so cute. I'm obsessed with this. Like, it's so, oh, wait a second. Oh no. There's something on the piping. This is what I saw. Excuse my fingernails. My hands are so dry. There's like a little rip in the leather there. And then you can kind of see the piping is okay on this side. But then when you go over to this side, you can see there's a very distinct scratch on the leather, and then there's another one right there. You can see there's another scratch on the leather. So, oh man, that's really frustrating. And like, I know that the handbag is under $1,000, but like that scratch right there is no good. Like that is gonna peel up pretty quickly. So that's really disappointing. It almost looks, I don't know. You know what? Maybe this, because it was the last one, maybe this is the floor model. Like this is what people have been using and looking at. I think that's what it is, because it didn't come with an authenticity card. I was so hyped for this. I was so hyped for this because it's so cute and it's under 1,000. So this has to go back now. I'm just wondering if I can, if it was the last one, there's like, maybe in the next shipment I'll be able to get one. But that's really disappointing. Oh, this took a turn. I was so excited and so happy, and now I'm like, oh, now I need to return it. But man, anyway, this is my first return from Farfetch too. So I don't know what's going on in the Saint Laurent store in Vancouver, but whoever did this, very bad. Disappointing, but still a beautiful bag. So would recommend it if you can get one that is not damaged. Anyway, let me know your thoughts on this cute little mini tube bag from Saint Laurent. What do you think? Do you think it's worth it? Will you be checking it out, or will you be looking at the larger size? I'd love to know your thoughts. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.